The exhibition From Konstanz to Africa, a long-distance journey with Icarus, took place in summer 2018 in the Deutschordenschloss on the island of Mainau. Icarus is an animal observation project initiated and led by the Max Planck Institute for Ornithology in Möggingen. It's for tracking animal migration from space using miniaturized GPS sensors. In our case, such sensors have been attached to birds to document their movements. To analyze such movement data from Icarus, we developed a virtual reality software. This was a cooperation between the University of Konstanz Chair for Life Science Informatics led by Falk Schreiber and the Max Planck Institute's Department of Migration and Immunoecology led by Martin Wikelski. This software simulates the flight of a flock of storks, including the original landscape beneath the birds. It allows to take over the perspective of any bird and provides analytical tools to investigate the stork's behavior. What you see here is a simplified version of the software tailored to the needs of the exhibition. It was developed together with the university's chair for human-computer interaction led by Harald Reiterer, who also developed the 3D printed binoculars. These binoculars consist of a virtual reality headset in combination with a smartphone and some other assets like a cooling system. The visitor can take one of these binoculars to observe the flock from the perspective of a single stork. You can experience how it is to fly with the storks on their way to Africa. The first scene takes place near Konstanz. Here we see how the flock uses the thermal lift to gain height, and this nearly without flapping. The visitor can move the binoculars to look around from the bird's position. We render trails behind each bird to visualize their flight path. In the second scene, the storks use the height they gained to travel south. Now the trails clearly show that the storks no longer fly in circles but follow straight lines. In the last scene, the flock has almost reached its destination Africa, and the storks once more use a thermal lift to gain height for the last part of their journey.